How to host a Minecraft server on mobile. Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to host a Minecraft server on mobile. First, open the Minecraft launcher. It has an icon that resembles a grass block. Click the Minecraft launcher on your desktop, Windows Start menu dock, or Applications folder. Click on Play. It's a green button at the bottom of the launcher. This launches Minecraft. Now click Multiplayer. It's the second option on the Minecraft title screen. Then click on Direct Connect. It's the second button at the bottom of the screen in the center. Now enter your IP address. Use the space in the center to enter your computer's IP address. To connect to a server hosted on the same computer you are running Minecraft on, enter O or localhost. If you change the port number in the server properties file, you will need to enter localhost followed by the port number. To connect to your Minecraft server from a different computer on the same network, you will need to enter your computer's internal IPv4 address. To connect to your Minecraft server from a different computer on a different network, you will need to enter your computer's external IP address, which can be found by going to whatismyip.com. Then click Join Server. This connects you to the server. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel to get notified of new videos. See you in the next one.